Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, let's try to learn how to create subscribe button. I create on CorelDRAW, and this the result of plagiarize other image. Yeah, let's see. It's the plan of the notification button. Yeah, this the hand. Yeah, let's try. I want to create illustration of hand. Yeah, I create like this. Okay, Control Z. I want to use saving facility to create intersect between this object on this object. Choose first, yeah, and then this a source, and then we can click target, yeah, intersect with this target. Okay, that's a result. Okay, it's a maybe illustration. Okay, I will try to change this to move. Okay, okay, that's it. Of this, okay, I will try to take a note and put like this. Yeah. After that, I want to make another node and put here, and then I will create an illustration of this. Yeah, intersect with this. Okay, that's a result. Yeah. Okay, this take shape 2. Oh, sorry, I want to, yeah, add node and want to move here, and I will take this illustration. I will check it. Okay, so this, yeah, that's it, and intersect with this. That's the result. Okay, this illustration. Okay, I will check. Okay, maybe use shift 2. Check here. Okay. Okay. Add node and move here. The result will be neat. Okay, intersect with this. That's the result. Okay, and this illustration. Okay, I need. Okay, I'll take this and move here. Okay, add node and take here. Okay, node. Yeah, it's the result will be neat. Yeah, intersect with this. Okay, now we will try to create illustration of this hand. I will to increase this. Okay, maybe 3. Yeah, yeah, and then I give the illustration color like this. Okay, here. Okay, here, but no line. Okay, no line. Sorry, down, and this down, no line, no line, and no line. Yeah, but button of the illustration. Yeah, button of the illustration like this. Okay. Before I promise you to create another illustration, maybe here until here, and here. Yeah, increase. Maybe okay 3. Okay, maybe okay 3, 2, and I want to set line cap like this. Okay, great. Look at the result. Like this, line cap, the rounded. Okay, finish. Yeah. If you want to set another line, we can use this maybe. Okay, look at the result. Watching this. Okay, this rounded. The result is rounded. Okay, I will group. Okay, and now we want to create a notification button. Okay, I use guideline, yeah, to help create this project. Yeah, create this project. Oh, wait a minute, check. View, snap to guideline. That's it. And repeat. Yeah. Finish. Okay. I have the part of this notification. I will copy, Control C, Control V. That's the result. After that, transformation, position, and I want to create a mirror. Yeah, mirror horizontal, and I put here. That's it. And okay, I create this combinate. Yeah, and join to node this, join to node, and here join to node. Okay, finish. And I want to make this group. Control C, Control V, and here maybe, yeah, mirror, apply like this. If we don't sure it's a center, we can make a group, and then check line and distribution and choose the center like this. Yeah, on here you can use maybe okay 50, and then this here. Yeah, and I want to make this result with well. Yeah, like this. Yeah, and take around it maybe okay a bit. That's it. Okay, maybe red and down. Okay, and take a color, no line. Okay, I take the line. That's it. And make a group. Okay, and check this. Okay. Op. Right on top of. Sorry. Can make a illustration, yeah. Okay, this. Ungroup first. Ungroup and Control C, Control V. I want to delete this, yeah. And give a fill color, but no line, and put down the image and group again and take the result. Okay, yeah, that's finished. Okay, I will save first. Okay, that's the illustration of subscribe button. Next, I will teach all of you how to lay out this on Flash, maybe on Photoshop to create animation. Yeah, okay. Thank you for watching. See you on next lesson. Thank you. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.